Watonga, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicle. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Watonga, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Watonga, Hitchcock, Greenfield, Loyal, and Omega. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.